Good morning from Heathrow Airport Terminal 2. Yes, look at that wonderful Qantas A380 double-decker Airbus. Ooh, but more importantly, do you know Lord Jesus Christ is coming soon? Harpazo, harpazo, harpazo. I hope to see you in the sky, Lord Jesus. You promised you're coming again. We lift your name on high. Believe in Him before it's too late, people. Bye-bye. Good morning from London Heathrow. That's the Airbus A380. Very cool, very cool. Singapore Airlines. Yeah. Nice plane, isn't it? Big. Ooh. But did you know Lord Jesus Christ is coming again? Believe in Him before it's too late. Harpazo, harpazo, harpazo. I hope to see you in the sky. Lord Jesus, you promise you're coming again. Lift your name on high. Believe in Him before it's too late. And over that side, there's another two Airbus, Singapore Airlines A380 Airbus there. So interesting, huh? One over there and one over here. Cool. What's happening? Woohoo! And right behind, Emirates. Bye-bye.